Yes, Sela, congratulations. Nominated sa Star Awards, R&B. Anong pakiramdam?
I really don't know how to feel about it, but I was really surprised when I heard about it because I just found out yesterday, I think. When did they post it? Or the other day, well. But I'm really honored because not everyone can be nominated for that award. So very thankful and grateful and honored.
And ano yung mga latest na abangan kay Sela ngayong year?
Recently, last time when I did PressCon, I released an album called Black Heart. So there's a music video coming up that we shoot from Thailand. It's the 9th track from my album, the song called Hanap Ka Na Lang Ng Iba. It's like, if you hear the song, it's about like a love or sad song.
Ayan, may sample mamaya. Pero anyways, Sela, last time, yung press con mo, may mention about collaboration with Korean artists or international. Ano na yung nangyari?
Korean? Oh.
Hindi, parang binanggit ni RS
Oh, yes,
na,
oo.
may mga kausap sila. Kinakausap pa natin.
Yes,
Oo.
they're still talking about it po.
So, gaano ka ka-excited if ever? Like, magiging global. Definitely global yung collaboration.
Yeah, that's really a dream for me, but especially that's what I really came here for, to be a global artist, because I really wanna spread Filipino music globally and promote our country as well.
Thank you, Sela.